guys, what is up? It's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching some of my recent vlogs and videos, then you would know that I am in the process of moving. So that is why my bed is on the floor and there is like zero background. Hopefully soon, crossing my fingers, we will get a better background going in here. But for right now, it's super plain and boring, so I'm sorry about that. For today's video, we are going to be doing an Amazon favorites video. I have gathered some stuff that I've recently ordered on Amazon. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into this video. I have this organized into like a couple of different categories. So I have kind of like a kitchen section, and then I also have more of like a fashion kind of section. So I guess we'll start with like the jewelry slash clothing. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is actually my necklace that I'm wearing right now. Super cute little dainty locket necklace, and I absolutely love it. I think it is so cute. I love to wear like dainty gold jewelry. Gold is my favorite. I don't really ever wear silver. Amazon has some awesome affordable choices, so this guy is definitely one of my favorites that I picked up. Okay, next piece that I'm going to talk about are these biker shorts. I was looking for a good pair of biker shorts to wear to not only work, but to also wear to the gym. I saw these on Amazon. There were so many choices, but these had really good reviews and they were really cheap. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out and see what they are like. So I did wear these to work the other day, and then I wore them to work out in, and I love them, you guys. They are so unbelievably comfortable. Like, for the price, the material is absolutely ridiculous. They feel so similar to Lululemon's, which is insane to me. I did end up getting a size 6. A lot of the reviews said to size up because they did run small. They are adorable. They are like one of the comfiest pairs of biker shorts that I have. So highly recommend these. These are definitely a favorite, and I'm not sure if they have more colors. I want to say they do. If they do, I'm definitely going to be ordering this in like all the colors that they have. Next favorite are these Lululemon jogger dupes. So I've been looking for a nice pair of these like athletic looking joggers. Another thing that I could wear to work. So I saw these on Amazon and they looked super comfortable. They're that nice athletic material. They're not as soft and buttery as the shorts that I just showed, but they're still a really nice material and I still really like them. I've been wearing these like crazy too. These ones are the Pro Mover, and I did get these in the size small. Really nice pocket, very similar looking to the Lululemon's, but material wise, they're not like that really soft buttery feeling like Lululemon is, but they're not bad material at all. Now getting into shoes, I have a pair of slides and then I have a pair of slippers. So I feel like these both have been talked about pretty often. I guess I'll talk about the slides first. So these are these slides. These slides have become really popular this year, and I can totally see why these have been like my go-to pair of shoes. Since we did just move into an apartment complex, we have a pool and a hot tub right down the stairs from us. So I was looking for a good pair of slides that I could wear to the pool and the hot tub, and then of course to like take the dog outside. Everybody was ranting and raving about these, and I decided to cave and get them. I did want them in the brown color. They sold out, so I got the black, but I love these. They are so comfortable. I feel like I'm walking on pillows when I'm wearing these. If you guys are like kind of on the fence, not sure if you want to get them, do it. They are so comfy, and they also have a ton of different colors to choose from. Next thing I want to talk about are these slippers, because Sophia chewed up my UGG slippers, which made me so mad. I absolutely love my UGG slippers. I wore them all the time. So obviously that left me without a pair of slippers. So I heard a lot of good reviews about these ones. Decided to go ahead and order them. These are obviously not as pricey as the UGG slippers, but they are so comfortable, and they're so soft, you guys. They seriously feel like a little blanket on your feet. I've been loving these. I did get the tan color. Now moving into like more kitchen-y supplies. First thing I want to talk about is this little multi-purpose mat. You guys are probably like, Anna, what the heck is this thing? But this thing has so many different purposes. Found this on Amazon because I was originally looking for something that I could set like my wet dishes on to dry, and I came across this bad boy, and you can do so many things with this guy. So you can use it as like a drying rack. You can put this in the microwave, put it over sauces and stuff to prevent splashing. You can use it to set hot pans on. Like, this has so many purposes. There's even more. I just cannot even think of them right now. I have been using this like crazy and it has become a staple in my kitchen, and it's super cheap. So highly recommend that. And then I want to talk about these little glasses. They're just so stinking cute. Like, how can you not want to buy these? I just love the look of them. So of course I just could not resist buying them. You can either get a single, a pack of 2, or a pack of 4. Pretty sure, I could be wrong, but I did get the pack of 4. So yeah, there's those. And then there is this guy. So I feel like this guy also gets talked about a lot, and I was definitely one to kind of avoid the trend for a really long time. But recently I caved and I decided to get it, and I just love it. It comes with 2 of these straws, and these do have so many different colors to choose from, like a ridiculous amount of colors. You can also get a 2-pack as well if you'd like. I do think I want to get the white one too, but I really like this tan color. I just love water bottles. Of course, I had to have this one to add to my collection. The only thing that bothers me about this one is this like applies to anybody that has animals. The hair will stick to this because it's kind of like a sticky rubber, which obviously like makes it easier to grip and hold on to, but it does hold on to fur like crazy. So you can kind of see on mine right now that it's like gripping onto fur. So just a warning to all my pet owners out there, if you want this water bottle, it does cling onto fur like crazy, but you can easily wash it off, so it's not that big of a deal. Last but not least is this guy right here. This is probably one of my favorite Amazon finds. Looking for something that wasn't really gonna take up a lot of space in my laundry room, and I found this bad boy. This is a collapsible laundry basket, so you can just set it on the ground and it collapses. This is what it looks like when it's fully collapsed. This thing is awesome. You can just store this like on the side of your washer and dryer, and then when you want to use it, you can just pop it right back open, put your clothes in there, go ahead and fold it and pop it right back down. That has been a huge storage saver for me. If you guys are in a pretty small apartment and want to save some space, then that is a amazing Amazon find. That is everything from this Amazon favorites video. All of the items that I mentioned will be linked in the description box below for you guys so that you can easily find them. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below and let me know any of your guys' Amazon favorites. I would love to hear them. I'm always ordering off Amazon, so anything new that I can find that you guys love, let me know in the comments so that I can test them out. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Wanna get a thing, girl, I been on it. She been bouncing on it like it's her opponent. I'ma let you in, you gon' feel on it. I'ma let you in, I got 5 on it. Double through the city,